Massive wagwan. So in this video I'm going to do jerk flavored baked chicken. So I'm making my own jerk sauce. I'm using 4 stalks scallion, 1 hot pepper, piece of ginger, 1 small onion. This is our Jamaican local onion, and 4 cloves garlic. I will be using other ingredients as well, so you will see them as I go along. So I am also using piece of fresh thyme. So what I'm gonna do is to cut up the fresh herbs and put them into a blender. To the blender, I am also adding about 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, a little bit of food browning, and the food browning is used according to the color that you want the sauce to be. So if you want the sauce not to be extremely dark, use less food browning. And of course, because it is a blender, I have to use a little bit of liquid. More, although I'm using the white vinegar, but I have to use a little bit more than that. So I'm using a little bit of water, just a little bit. Now, if you want to put sugar, go ahead and do so. The original Jamaican jerk season does not consist of sugar, right? And practically, I don't really cook with sugar. Sugar is something that I'm trying to eliminate out of my diet, or use minimal amount. I can't eliminate it, but I just want to use it when necessary, and it is not necessary in this jerk sauce. So I'm gonna blend everything. Real Jamaican flavor. I am adding a few pimento seeds into this container, and I'm gonna crush them. So you can use the amount of pimento seeds that you want to use. It depends on how much you want the pimento seeds, or the pimento flavor, I should say, to taste in the sauce. I don't want my pimento, I don't use a lot of pimento, I should say, because I don't want the sauce to be overbearing with only the pimento taste, meaning I don't want to only taste the pimento flavor. I want to taste the scallion, the thyme, the pepper, the ginger, all the different ingredients that I use to make the sauce. I want to taste them, so there should be a balance. So what I'm going to do now is to put the pimento, the crushed pimento, into the blender and give it one more. I'm using drumstick or chicken legs that already washed with all-purpose flour, rinse and pat dry, and now ready to be seasoned. So to the drumstick, I am adding salt and then black pepper, and I'm using 2 spices, just chicken seasoning and all-purpose. Pour the jerk sauce all over the chicken legs. Cover and marinate for about 4 hours. However, it is best to marinate overnight. I place a container beneath the rock that I will be placing the chicken legs onto to collect the drippings. So I place the chicken legs onto the stove rock, and I'm gonna bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes, and then 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, just to get them brown and nice. So in total, I bake them for 50 minutes, right? 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Jerk flavored baked chicken legs. The kitchen smells so delicious. What would until next time? Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe and click post notification bell.